Welcome to the company Beurax. In this video, I will introduce you to the categories of investment plans that are available to every Beurax client. Beurax offers investors 4 categories of investment plans with different levels of profitability and profit conditions. You can activate deposits in USD, BTC and ETH currencies. Profit accrual on deposit is made in the corresponding currency in which the deposit was activated. For example, if you have activated a deposit in the Bitcoin currency, then the profit on this deposit will be credited in Bitcoin. If the deposit is activated in US dollar, then the profit on the deposit will be credited in US dollar. Now, learn more about each category. Total Return Swaps is a category of investment plans that provides clients with the opportunity to receive daily accruals and payments on deposits, as well as assumes an automatic refund of the deposit amount after its expiration. The daily profit of investors in this category of investment plans ranges from 1.4 to 1.8% depending on the investment plan you choose. The interest rate is fixed for each of the deposits in this category and does not change until the end of the investment period. Currency swaps, a category of investment plans that provides clients with an increased interest rate on deposits. Accrual and payment of profit on active deposits is also carried out daily. The initial deposit amount is not refunded at the end of the investment period, as it is included in the amount of daily accruals. The daily profit of investors in this category of investment plans ranges from 3% to 3.6% depending on the investment plan you choose. The interest rate is fixed for each of the deposits in this category and does not change until the end of the investment period. Interest rate swaps is a category of investment plans that provides clients with daily accruals and payments on deposits and assumes an automatic refund of the deposit amount after its expiration. A distinctive feature of this category of investment plans, compared to total return swaps, is the floating interest rate, which can change daily. The daily profit of investors in this category of investment plans varies from 1.5 to 2.1%, depending on the success of the company's trading operations over the past day. The most profitable category is commodity swaps, a special category of investment plans that provides clients with an increased interest rate on deposits due to the company's long-term management of client funds. Daily profit from deposits in this category is automatically used by the company to perform trading operations and is constantly increasing. Long-term use of the client's funds in this mode allows Beurax to provide investors with a fixed interest rates on deposits of the commodity swaps category of 4.2% per day. The accrued profit and the amount of the initial deposit in this category of investment plans are withdrawn after the end of the investment period. Please note that profit accrual for all deposits in the company is made only on working days, from Monday to Friday. Now that you're familiar with each category, choose the most suitable investment plan for you, activate the deposit and get a guaranteed profit. Subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Beurax!